It's on the right. Is he outside, you're saying?
He just came back out. He's standing in front of the front door. Next driveway, the driveway with the car parked in it, backed up to the...
I think that's you guys.
Yep. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, wait.
No,
Wait.
stop.
I'm sorry.
Put your hands behind your back or you're going to get tased.
I didn't know.
Put your hands behind your back. Get on your knees.
Please.
Put your...
Please. I just...
Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back and you're going to get tased.
No, it's okay.
Then put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
What did I do?
Do it now.
What did I do wrong? I'm sorry. Please, sir, I'm sorry. I didn't know it was you guys.
Well,
I'm sorry. What did I do?